Hello, in this video I want to show you how to revive a downed soldier in Last Train Home. And to do this, first you'll need to pick any one from your unit that has this ability called Stabilize. Then click on that ability and pick the unit that you want to revive, soldier. Now, if this doesn't work for you, there might be a problem with your difficulty level, since when we move to our options in difficulty, we can find the, downstate behavior, and when it's on normal, you can revive some of the units, and when it's on hard, they die when they are down, so that means you can't revive them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.